How to use Microsoft Lists in Teams. So here I am in the Microsoft Teams application. So from here, if you want to use Microsoft Lists, go to Apps, and then from here, type in Lists. Here you will see the application for Microsoft Lists. So from here, we can click Add, and then you can simply choose a channel where you want to add or use Microsoft List. So let's say I want to use here in the general channel, or you can click view more to see more channels. Let's say I use it in the general channel of my How to Videos team. Click go, and then it will now be added right here. Then click save. Now we have a Microsoft List. If you want to add it to other channels, just go to apps and then find lists, and then you can add a list right here. And then basically when we use lists, we can use this kind of like a to-do list or any other way that we can use it using their templates. So either you can create a new list from scratch, or you can click add an existing list if you already have a list that is used before. So let's say we create a new list right here, and then we can do a lot of things right here. We can create like a gallery, we can create a calendar, we can create a board, we can create a form, and then we can create a list. So I'm just going to focus on lists for this video. From here, we can add like a name for our list. So let's say we have a to-do list right here. And then now it changed the name of the tab to the to-do list because we use the list format. If you use other formats, you can also use them as well. And then from here, you can add items in your list. So let's click add new item. From here, you can enter like the title of the item that you want to add. And then you can also add attachments. So let's say we can put sample right here, click save. And then now you have like this sample item right here. You can add more columns if you want. So it kind of works kind of like Excel, just in a different format. You can either add like another text, or like a toggle button, date and time, and so on. So you can also like use this list right here to insert like attachments and so on. For example, let's say we have a choice right here, and then let's say we have this one finished, and then ongoing, and then not finished. And then let's say the name will be status, and click save. So now we can choose a status for this particular item. We can click add item, and then we can add ask one right here. Then we can click save. And then for this sample, you can also change the status, like for example, ongoing. So basically you can use lists right here to have like a organization of your team right here. Like you can create like to-do lists right here. You can create like other formats, like for example earlier we have like the gallery format. You also have like the card format and so on. So for example, we can create new one. So you can create form, a board, calendar, gallery, and so on. So for this video, I just focused on this list format right here, but you can also explore like the other formats right here. So basically you can see like different templates right here that you can use as well, so that you can manage your team right here using this list feature right here for organization. And then that is it. So that is how we can use Microsoft List for Teams. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.